Today I'm going to be reviewing OHLPRO's magnetic tablet holder and phone holder. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It's just a normal holder, not a charger. Just put this part on the bottom, clean this off, clean your dashboard or windshield, pop it down. This piece right here, you just pop it down and then this will lock into place. No problems. It also comes with 2 rings. So if your phones aren't Magsafe or your tablet, which probably isn't, you can put this on there. Now I have an Android phone, so I put that on here. So I'm gonna show you how well it works. I just put it behind my case. Look at that. However you wanna do it. If you wanna do it from the windshield, you can do that. You can move it around. This is very adjustable. So first of all, you unscrew that there, it goes up and down. Just lock into place wherever you want it. This piece right here, this can go like this and adjust. Also, this adjusts right here, the little wheel it's on. So this, when you unscrew it enough here, this can also adjust left, right, up, and down, and that locks in place. And then finally, on the last arm here, this will have it move up and down. This is an Amazon overall pick, 4.4 stars. Over 740 reviews, and last month it sold 50 plus, so it's doing well. I'm not seeing that these are going to return. Perfect product. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.